This video is going to demonstrate how to use the 15 mode rapid fire controller from Console House. The kit or controller will be accompanied by a paper user guide, but this video will offer a more in-depth explanation on how to use the controller. Before we get started, you will need to know the following. On the bottom of the controller there is a new button. This is referred to as the RF button. There is also a tricolour LED on the bottom of the controller. This has three colours: red, green and yellow. Green is used for mode and speed selection. Red is used for pausing and resetting the rapid fire kit. Yellow is used for loading the last mode. When you turn on your controller, the rapid fire kit is always off by default. The 15 mode rapid fire kit has 3 programmable modes with 15 speed settings and 4 button options. The drop shot modes on the kit also have a programmable option to turn smart drop shot on and off. Selecting a mode. In this demonstration we are going to load a mode. This is best explained using an example. To load, Mode 1, press the RF button once. Mode 2, press the RF button twice. Mode 3, press the RF button 3 times. Mode 4, press the RF button 4 times, and so on. The LED flashes green, showing which mode has been loaded. In this demonstration we will load Mode 4, which is akimbo for R1 and L1. To do this, press the RF button 4 times. The LED then flashes green 4 times. The controller is now in Mode 4. Selecting pause. Now we have a mode selected, you may not always want the kit to be active. This is where the pause feature can be useful. To pause the rapid fire kit, press the RF button once and the LED will turn red. The kit is now in pause. The controller works like normal. If you press the RF button again, the LED will turn off and the kit will be active again. For pause to work, you must have the controller switched on and have a mode selected. Next we will reset the kit so we can load another mode. You have to do this every time you want to change from one mode to another. To reset the kit, press and hold the RF button until the LED flashes red. Release the RF button and the LED turns off. The kit is now off. Now we have covered all the basic functions of the kit, we are going to program a speed and button for Mode 1. The first 3 modes of the kit are user programmable, so you can set different speeds and buttons for each. First, load Mode 1. So press the RF button once and the LED will flash green once. We now want to go into pause. So press the RF button once and the LED will turn red. Next, hold down the up button on the D-pad and press the RF button once, then release both buttons. This will put the controller into program mode indicated by the LED flashing red and green. From here you can select R1, R2, L1 or L2 as the fire button. You can change your mind at any point while in program mode. Each time you press a new fire button, the LED flashes green, registering the change. But we want R1 for this demonstration. From here you can also select a new speed out of 15 settings. To do this, use the up and down buttons on the D-pad. Please refer to the table from the user guide you received with the kit for game compatibility. Each press of the up button increases the counter by 1, and each press of the down button decreases the counter by 1. The LED flashes green each time you press either button to show it has registered the increase or decrease. Ensure you wait for the LED to flash green before pressing again. When you reach the maximum or minimum setting, the LED remains green. Every time you enter program mode, the speed counter starts from 0. We will select the first speed setting, which is for Modern Warfare 3 and 2. Press the RF button once and it will reload the mode and the new settings and put you back into pause. As this is the most complicated process of the kit, we will do it again using Mode 2. So we're going to reset the kit by holding the RF button down until the LED flashes red. Then press the RF button twice to load mode 2. The LED flashes green twice. Now press the RF button once to enter pause, shown by the LED turning red. Next, enter program mode by holding down the up button on the D-pad and pressing the RF button once. Then, releasing both buttons, the LED will flash red and green, showing the controller is in program mode. This time I will choose R1 for my firing button and speed setting 3, so press the R1 button and the LED blinks green. Then press the up button 3 times, waiting for the LED to blink each time. Press the RF button once and it will load the mode again with the new settings and put you back in pause. On all of the drop shot modes there is an extra option to enable Smart Drop Shot. What Smart Drop Shot does is cancel out the manoeuvre if you're aiming down the sight of a gun, only dropping to the floor when the player is firing from the hip. This feature is available on modes 5, 6, 11 and 12. To turn on the feature, load one of the drop shot modes. We will load mode 5. Put the kit into pause by pressing the RF button once. The LED will turn red. Hold down the up button on the D-pad and press the RF button once. Then release both buttons. This will put the controller into program mode indicated by the LED flashing red and green. You can now turn the Smart Drop Shot on or off by pressing the up button on the D-pad on and down on the D-pad for off. The LED will blink green for each selection. Press the RF button once to leave program mode and save the new settings. The kit will reload the mode and put you back into pause.